my job now? To get them in? Yeah.
Yeah. How I go out there? No, you gotta go this way. Come back. Pay attention. The last one. Don't worry about the ones up there. There you go. Close that gate behind them.
I get asked one question more than others. Why'd you pick goats? I pick goats because, as you can see, I can handle them by myself with one hand. I don't have any ranch hands. I don't have any hired muscle. It's just me and my family. So big Angus cows were out of the question. I didn't have, thousands of acres of pasture to run Angus cattle on. This 65 acres was just enough for us. It's not open pasture. It's a lot of hilly, wooded areas. Perfect for goats. This is not the place for cows, but these are the perfect conditions for Kikos. I chose Kiko Spanish cross goats, real hardy goats, parasite resistant, great mothers. I still haven't got them used to this head gate yet. Still confused, still jittery, still on guard, but they don't know we're not here to hurt them. This corral system is nowhere near perfect, but it's perfect for us. This took a lot of work off of us. Before this, it was chasing goats through a field. That was impossible. Too old to do that, don't have the young legs. Even my son couldn't catch them. We built this small hay feeder inside this corral system so they'll get used to being in here. So it's so easy to catch them now. They think it's food time, they come and running. We're pretty close to getting this goat in there.
Yeah, that's good. Shit in that winter coat. Alright, you inside him now? Come up here, Javon. Come up here.
Oh. I gotta go down.
What's the number, Lamar?
I'm the best cameraman ever.
We started with 10 goats. Hopefully next year we should have 30. A goat's gestation period is 5 months. A cow's gestation period is 9 months. A goat can be weaned off his mother in just 1 month. It takes 6 months for a cow to be weaned from his mother. In those 15 months that it takes a cow to be weaned from his mother, I can have another set of kids on the way. Cows usually have 1 calf each season. After your goat's first time breeding, they say every year after that your goat most likely will have a twin or a triplet. You can put 1 cow and calf pair on 1 acre of land. No, sorry, 2 acres of land. I can put 16 to 20 goats on that same 2 acres of land. In a 12-month time frame, those 20 goats can have 2 kids apiece. So that's 40 kids. In that same 12-month time frame with the Angus cow, you get 1 calf. So 40 commercial grown feeder goat kids, let's say an average of 50 pounds, and today's prices at $4.89 a pound. That's $245 a head. But wait, we're at 40. So 40 goats at $245 a head is $9,780. But let's get back to the steer. Let's call it a steer. An Angus feeder steer, 1,200 pounds at $1.20 a pound, $1,440. So that's why we chose
the
these
GoPro.
goats.
Why are you going into the corner?